In this quick video, I'll show you how to see live subscriber count on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to view live subscriber count, we just need to come on this website called livecounts.io. We need to come here and then search here in search bar Mr. Beast. I will simply search here Mr. Beast, then enter on your keyboard. Then we can see multiple types of channels here. Mr. Beast, Beast Reacts. I want to choose this one, which is his main channel. I will click here and then you can see I can easily see his live subscriber count. Also you can compare his channel with another one. For that we just need to scroll down and then we can see here is an option called compare. We need to click here, then add the first channel. I will add here first channel called Mr. Beast. Then we just need to hit enter on our keyboard, choose the channel. Now select the second channel. I will simply select here ISO speed. I will simply type here ISO speed, then I will enter on my keyboard, select the channel, and now we need to click on compare. After that we will see the comparison between these two channels. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.